Hey everybody. I wanted to show you how I was processing some corn that I'm going to save and give to the squirrels and the birds this winter. You can see right here this corn, it's drying down nicely. You can see how the ears are starting to turn down. How this one here, it's sticking up like it would be normally growing, and as it dries down, it slowly starts to turn down. Then it'll end up facing downward so that the rain can't get in and rot the kernels. When you're sitting there like this, the rain could get down in there and cause these kernels to rot or to sprout. So nature has made a way to preserve it. So what I'm doing is I'm just walking up to this and I'm going to pull this out. And then we'll take it back to the truck with all of the others that I've picked. And we're going to shuck them and we'll save them until a little bit later in the year when it turns cold and food's a little more scarce. All right. Let me turn down the radio. So yeah, that's a ear that I have shucked already. These are a bunch that I have picked, and just gonna pull the husks back. It's a little bit challenging when you have your holding a camera. I didn't bring a tripod, but you can see it's very easy to do. We just pull that back, and then we pull these back and then just break that off. Then I'll put this in my bag and save it. We have so much housing and industry moving in that it's pushing the wildlife more and more to find new habitat or to get onto what's left. And the property that we have here is still fairly wild with several creeks and critters on it everywhere. So I'm going to start feeding a lot more, just helping the wildlife try to absorb some of their loss of habitat. So I'll be shooting some more videos in the future, just kind of showing y'all what we've got going on. So I look forward to talking to you soon.